Welcome back to another epic dev blog. 17, 18 maybe? Oh boy, I shouldn't have mentioned that I was recording a dev blog. Now I got people trying to get in the video. And because I'm using a dev build, their feet look goofy. That's cool. No, I'm trying to get over here. So, let's see what I've got. I need to go out over here to this field. The ruby grow crystal should be fixed, so it grows. Did I say grow crystal? Ruby glow crystal should be fixed so it grows. Didn't I have a little thing set up out here somewhere? I probably took it down because of, the danger. The inherent danger of a lava field. That's weird. Oh, I don't want to trap cobblestone. You know what? Let's not even bother building it. Let's just show the... It doesn't seem right. I thought it was a purple one. I don't know. I guess it was the red one. So these will grow now. That's weird. I sneezed 7 times before starting recording this, and now I got a kind of scratchy throat. Okay, well, anyways. Ignore my voice not sounding 100%. These can be grown, same as the others now. Maybe that's just echo in the room because the doors and windows are all closed. Because somebody's mowing their lawn. And I'm hoping that doesn't get picked up in the video. You know what that might be? Maybe my voice doesn't sound normal and I'm just hearing the echo and I usually don't hear that. That could be it. Anyways, I digress. This can be grown. You put the glow ruby ore in the center. Have 8 lava sources surrounding it. Place 1 glow ruby on top of it and it'll grow just as the other ones did. I forgot to add an ABM in for that one when I did these. I don't know how I did that, but somehow I did. So it's added now and it works. Let's just move right along. The landscaping machines now check for spacing. So if you try to place them someplace where a node is, they won't work. And just like the stations and stuff, they place an invisible node, so you can't place something into them later on. I forget who mentioned that, and I didn't write it in the notes. I don't remember if that was Daniel one or Dash Hyphen or somebody else. Let me run back over here. Hoppy jump, jumpy hop. This was a big boo-boo on my part. Evidently, nobody tried doing it though, so it went long unreported. The crystal armors now can be made with fabric. I guess before it was trying to use, I think, furniture fabric, which doesn't exist. It would be furniture fabric underscore and then whichever color. So it now uses any group. So all of the armors in the crystal workshop can be made with the group fabric. I believe metal armors can only be made with leather. Yep, they can only be done with leather. That is intentional. I forget why, but that's intentional. So that was fixed. We can demo some fun features here. Hopefully not crash anything while doing it. Sure, right here. Oh, there's somebody's house there. Okay, let's try over here. Let's go right here. This looks, oh, there's houses there. You know what, this is fine. This is fine, everything's fine. So this is, let me take 2 of these. I don't know, that's an edge, so I guess 2 of those. This was requested. yeah, so you have castle gates. There we go. I don't know why that has a different color on it, but whatever. Also, it's going backwards, but that's fine. Let me just put this piece of cobblestone. There we go. That's not really what I wanted, but that's good enough to demo. And then, actually, that might not work at all. We need a pressure plate. I'll put that here. Yeah, so that's kind of oh, there we go. So yeah, you can use pressure plates to toggle castle gates. Now this is obviously set up the wrong way. I think how it should actually be done is like this. That opens the gate, and then we step on it again to close the gates. The gate won't close itself, unfortunately, because the way this code works, actually the way the code for the gates work, the function that actually opens and closes the gate needs the position of the gates. But currently, while the gate is closed, this corner door piece of it, this hinging portion, is in this node space. But once it opens up, it is now occupying in this node space. And I have no way of knowing what node space it will be in after it opens, because I don't know how far it can open. So I can't do it that way, because like if I put this back where it was, right there, it'll open and it only does 90 degrees of rotation instead of 180 degrees. So unfortunately, yeah, it only works like that. And then furthermore, another issue with it. So that'll open the gate. Oh, wait. Why did that work? Oh, because this node is there. Okay. So if it's only a 2 wide on each side, I guess you might be okay, but if you have 2 more here, you probably have to have a pressure plate here to toggle those to open. But yeah, and I don't know why I can't destroy these. That's cool. Maybe I need to use an axe. Yep, okay. So yeah, that is added in. It kind of works. It's probably about the best we're gonna get because of just the way those functions work. My hat is semi-transparent. That's kind of neato. Let's see, blah, blah, blah. I need to find a table saw. We got some new nodes added there for compatibility. I don't know if I have a table saw in here. I don't think so. Nope. All right, so we'll just hop up to, I got one out the door here. Oh, I do need to get the new nodes that can be used in there, though, I suppose. We have I don't know what that was. There we go. We have asteroid stone, which can be used, you know, you get all that normal shapes, and asteroid stone brick. Those are requested by Silicone Penguin, so those have been added. Oh, speaking of things that were added on requests, where's my smithy station? Here we go. There is a new decorative node. Here we go. This. Oh, I didn't change its description yet. That's cool. Yeah, so there's this golden triangle. 1 gold ingot in the smithy station. You can make a triangle, and it places in the middle. So if we pull it up and get one of these, it just places in the center of the node. I have to fix the collision box and selection box yet, so it's not the full node. But yeah, that was added. He's building a temple of some sort, and like doing a recreation of a real temple. And they have these, I don't know what you would call them, these little golden triangles running along the upper border of it. So these were added for him for that. Glowworms can be burnt. This could be slightly of a dangerous thing to demo, but you know, we're gonna do it anyways, because why not? I need some flint then, I suppose. Yeah, give me one, please. Alright, so you know glowworms, you find them in caves and stuff, you can burn them with fire now. If you want. I mean, I don't really know why. I forget, somebody mentioned it on Discord. Something about burning the glowworms, I don't remember what. But I thought it was kind of funny, so I added it. So if you are in one of those caves, because these things kind of spread like nobody's business underground in dark places. So yeah, you can just burn them all now, which gives you more light than they do by themselves, because fire is brighter than they are. But obviously they do burn out at some point. Eventually. Would you just please burn out now? Evidently they burn for a very long time. Okay. I mean, at some point that should burn out. So we'll just leave it there and we will, whoops. And we will go on to the last thing, which is the filling tool. So this can be crafted in the smithy station with a gold block, a glowing diamond, a diamond block, and 1 titanium ingot. The glowing diamond we covered last week, but as a refresher, that can be made in the crystal workshop here. You need some chitin, glowstone fragments, and diamond. The glowstone fragments you get by cooking glowstone. Oh, I have to do this one. You cook it for 30 seconds, and it gives you 2 of these. Well, it takes 30 seconds to cook. Oh, hey, it finally burnt up, and now nothing is burning. That's cool. So yeah, you can make that. And it works very similar to the filler mod. Oops. How it normally would work. If you're not familiar with this mod, you're not alone. I had never heard of it either till somebody put it in the server suggestions. Let me just get some cobble here. Let me try not to get the trap cobble. Yeah, I'll just get normal cobble, please. Here we go. Alright, so the way this sucker works... Oh, now we got Alfred up here. We got everybody up here. The way this sucker works is you... well, you have to have 1 node placed, so you can select it. And then you have to turn chat on. Oh, I have that debug code still, and that's stupid. Anyway, so you hold down sneak and you right click on the node you want to place. And it tells us here node set to cobblestone. And then you right click to set 1 position. And you right click to set the other. It tells us how many blocks it's going to use. And then we punch. And it places the blocks. As you can see, whoops. As you can see looking at my inventory, it did use blocks, so you do have to have the nodes you want to place using this tool. And you will also hopefully notice that it took a little bit of damage. It will work 100 times. And if you're... Oh. That was kind of stupid. There we go. If you just spam click, as you will notice, nothing's happening here because those nodes are already placed. It won't replace them. The only nodes it'll replace are air, nodes that are diggable too, and water. Possibly lava too, I didn't check that. Lava's probably considered diggable too, so, or whatever it's called. But yeah, it works 100 times. You can't repair it. You just have to build a new one. So yeah, that was added at request of, I think Daniel1 requested this one. I'm not sure. I did change up the texture a smidge. I added the where because by default it just lasts forever, which, considering the recipe is not all that expensive, I didn't want to do that. The most expensive element in this is probably a throat between the titanium ingots and the glowing diamond. I would say titanium ingots is probably the most expensive part. Glowing diamond, you can get that glowstone pretty easily. The gold block and diamond block, I mean, those things are less valuable than dirt, honestly. Now that there's people that know how to kill scorpions and harvest tons of that stuff with absolutely zero effort, they really don't have a whole lot of value anymore. I think that's it. Oh, the Discord bridge has been re-enabled. Messages on Discord will be deleted after, I think I set it to 7 days or 1,000 messages, whichever happens first. So it'll do a rolling delete, which should, you know, be a privacy protection kind of thing, so you don't have to worry about chat messages lasting forever there. And then the last thing is screenshot submissions, which doesn't really relate to the dev blog here, but on my website I do and I need to get it updated, basically if you pull up news here and you scroll down a whole bunch, which I don't know why I didn't show a scroll bar, that's kind of weird. This has all the way to February, and then it says here, for more information and to read older news, visit my website. Well, if you visit my website, there's a link on this page to visit the old blog posts for the server, and they are monthly, and it pretty much is just copied and pasted directly out of this, and then I remove it from here, and it's available on my website. But those posts need header images, because that's the way my website is designed. And so if you want to get your own pictures of, obviously, server stuff, just take a screenshot in-game, turn off chat. You can do that with F2 by default, or I think if you do F1, it'll turn off chat too. But you want chat turned off, you want the debug info turned off, you want that turned off, that's F6 if you accidentally turned it on. You want minimap turned off, which should actually turn itself off with F1, I believe. Yep. So you just want the game screen just like this. Take pictures of whatever, and you can submit them. There is a channel on the Discord specifically for it, or if you don't have Discord or you don't want to put the picture there, which is perfectly fine, I have zero issues with that, you can email them to mindtest@nathansalapat.com, and just, you really don't even need to give a subject, just include the image and I'll know what it's for. And then yeah, I'll just randomly pick one. You know, it can be of whatever, it can be of something you built, it can be of some landscape. You know, if there's something sketchy going on between some mobs, I shouldn't really say sketchy, but you know, there's some kind of gnome fight or something, you know, whatever it is, you could go ahead and take a snap of that and yeah, get it in for maybe a header image on a blog post. By submitting images, you do give me permission to reproduce them, obviously, on my website. I should probably put that in as a legal disclaimer someplace. But yeah, that is going to wrap up this week's dev blog. So thanks for watching. Tune in next week for another video, and I will see you then.